My dear research students, we are going to discuss how to estimate exploratory factor analysis using Mplus. EFA uses correlations as the unit of analysis, so we are taking the correlation matrix from table 2.1 from CFA by Brown. Please see table 2.1 taken from CFA by Brown. Intercorrelations among four behavioral observation ratings of depression. In this basic example, four behavioral observation ratings D1 to D4 have been collected on 300 individuals admitted to an inpatient psychiatric facility. The four ratings are hopelessness D1, feelings of worthlessness or guilt D2, psychomotor retardation D3, and sleep disturbance D4. These four clinical ratings or indicators are moderately intercorrelated. It is conjectured that each of these ratings is a manifest indicator of the latent construct of depression. That is, each of the observed symptoms, e.g., hopelessness, worthlessness, has the shared influence of depression. The single latent variable or factor that accounts for the intercorrelations among these observed measures, the only reason the indicators are correlated is that they share the common cause of depression. If this latent variable was parceled out, no relationship among these indicators would be seen. We are using M+6, then we push here. This gives us the window where this is the menu. We click at file, then new. This paper comes out before us. Now we are going to write down the steps by which we can calculate EFA. The title, one factor EFA, data file is this, number of observation 300, type means standard deviations and correlation. Variable names are D1 to D4. In analysis, the maximum likelihood or ML estimator is being used. Model depress by D1 to D4. Output input standardized mode indices for RES. Now we push on run button, then save, save as MP text 1. Yes, this will give us immediately the result. Input instructions, then this gives us the number of observation equal to 300, number of dependent variable 4, number of independent variables 0, number of continuous latent variables equal to 1, that is depress. We assume the depression. The estimator ML is used. This is our result. We estimated the results by using Mplus. The chi-square test of modal fit indicates the value 0.206, degree of freedom 2, p-value 0.9023. It means the model is significant. We have estimated the single factor EFA model by using Mplus. Out of the various results, we are taking here only the results of chi-square test of modal fit, standardized model, R square values, residual variances, and variances of depression. Please see at the value of chi-square test of modal fit. The criteria for a modal fit is that chi-square value should be low and being non-significant. That is, its p-value should be greater than 0.05. Chi-square value is low, that is 0.069, with a 2 degree of freedom, and its p-value is quite large, that is 0.9663, that is much greater than 0.05. So its value follow the prescribed criteria. It indicates that model is quite fit. Now we come to the standardized model results. It shows the values related to depress by D1 to D4. The estimate values are factor loadings or regression coefficients. The EST divided by SE shows the T values. The table shows that all the factor loadings are highly significant with high T values and very low P values that are 0.000. Each factor loading, say of D1 or hopelessness, is 0.828, which indicates that one standardized score increase in depress or depression is associated with 0.828 standardized score increase in D1 or hopelessness, and in the same way we can interpret factor loadings for other indicators as well. R square values results show the square values of factor loading, or it shows the communality or common variance that is felt by an indicator which accounts for by the concerning factor. For example, its value for D1 is 0.686, that is, its common variance is 68.6%. If we subtract the value of common variance from 1, the resulting value indicates the value of unique variance or residual variance. Its value for D1 is 0.314. It means 31.4%. The value of variance for depression is 1. Banner shows the details.
My dear research students, you can contact me only for PhD thesis work for those subjects which require data analysis, model development, estimation and interpretation, etc. on payment. Online classes will be started shortly.